Welcome to Worldwide Business. I'm Kathy Ireland. Many company owners and fleet managers know preventative maintenance is key to fleet optimization and controlling repair and maintenance costs. Tim Winia, CEO of Groeneveld, joins us to discuss how an automated lubrication solution allows for maximum fleet utilization and productivity while reducing repair and labor costs, in addition to maintaining and increasing the equipment's residual value. Tim, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Kathy. It's a pleasure to be here.
So, Tim, what are some of the greatest challenges that fleet managers face?
In today's operating environment, many of the fleet managers have budgets to work within, and they also are charged with keeping that fleet up and running and having maximum utilization time. So when they have downtime, that's very much frowned upon.
And so how does your company help optimize fleets?
Groeneveld's products help to optimize fleets by providing preventative maintenance lubrication while the equipment's in between service intervals. So we ensure that the equipment's well looked after and you don't have severe breakdowns due to lack of maintenance.
In this Worldwide Business Field Report, we delve into Groeneveld and their automated lubrication solutions.
Fleet optimization is critical for many organizations. In today's competitive environment, you need to see a return on your fleet and cannot afford to have excessive downtime and costly repairs due to lack of preventative maintenance. Groeneveld's automated lubrication system provides the precise amount of grease at the right intervals. This ensures that a fleet is protected regardless of things such as weather, time restraints, or operator oversight. This is valuable for clients like Bob Taylor of W.W. Clyde Company and John Hawkins of Geneva Rock.
I'm responsible for over 120 pieces of yellow iron. By implementing the automated system, we have reduced our bushing and pin wear on our loaders significantly. We do not have the maintenance that would normally be required. So it's been a big cost savings for us, and it helps us with the uptime on the machinery.
We feel that in the high cycle, heavy applications that we perform in, that it's necessary to have almost a constant flow of grease to the pins and joints, and Groeneveld Systems has been able to provide that level of protection. We've reduced the amount of pin and bushing failures on our heavy equipment and eliminated the need for expensive line boring procedures and been able to keep our equipment in the dirt.
Groeneveld is very helpful in customizing a system to be able to work on our crusher operations. Right now we've put some on crushers, BSIs, that normally have not ever had them on there, and so we've partnered with them and worked out a program to be able to get those installed, and they're saving us a lot of money. By automating with Groeneveld system, we've been able to reduce our operations and labor costs by 20%.
Proper lubrication can extend the life of wearable components by up to 3 times the standard. It also reduces maintenance costs and increases fleet uptime.
We've been working with Groeneveld about 10 years. We've installed their systems on some problem areas, and we've also retrofitted many other machines and are having them installed on most of our new machines. Time constraints and production schedules make it difficult to accomplish routine maintenance, and Groeneveld Systems has helped us maintain this equipment properly.
Groeneveld's automated lubrication and intelligent fluid management systems help take the guesswork out of fleet managers' maintenance plans. They also provide peace of mind that their fleet will be well maintained regardless of operating conditions.
The customer service and support with Groeneveld is superior. They're always there to take care of an issue or to help you out with any needs that you might have.
We would definitely recommend Groeneveld Systems to others. We appreciate their level of commitment to our success and the commitment they've made to support our maintenance people.
Tim, why is fleet optimization so crucial for so many companies?
In today's competitive environment, it's important that fleet managers and company owners get the maximum return on their fleet and at the lowest cost of ownership. So they can't afford costly repairs and downtime with their fleet.
Tim, what are the biggest reasons that preventative maintenance is so important?
Well, preventative maintenance is extremely important today because once again, with your fleets, you want to maximize the return on your fleet, and you need the high utilization time in order to stay competitive. So if you go to preventative maintenance, you're going to ensure that you're not having a costly repair, you're not having downtime with your equipment, and you can get your best return on your investment.
And can you please tell us about the products and solutions Groeneveld provides?
Groeneveld provides automated systems that will look after your lubrication needs and your fluid management to ensure that your fleet is well maintained, once again, between their service intervals. Our automated lubrication systems provide the right amount of grease at the right times, at the right intervals, regardless of operating conditions. So you're no longer relying on an operator to ensure that that equipment is being properly greased on a daily basis.
Tim, can you please tell me what are some of the benefits of Oil Master?
Well, some of the benefits of Oil Master is that it allows you to have the optimum amount of oil in your engine at any given time. The system automatically checks the level of the oil while the unit's in operation. Thereby, your engines will run more efficiently, and it prevents the operator from introducing the wrong oil to the engine.
So what types of vehicles can use Oil Master?
Oil Master is a dynamic product. It can be used on pretty much any engine that uses oil as a lubricant.
And is Oil Master actually good for the environment?
With today's engines, yes, they are very sensitive to the types of oil that are introduced to them, as well as the levels that they operate within. If that is out of whack, for example, you will run into an issue with larger emissions. Also, when an operator tops up an engine, quite often they'll spill or they'll leave excess oil on site. So with an Oil Master, you only introduce oil in a controlled environment.
And how do they decrease their downtime?
Once again, with the decrease in downtime would come from the fact that you're lubricating the unit while it's in action, while it's in motion, so those wearable components don't get destroyed. If you have a fleet breakdown, sometimes you're down for days, weeks, even months at times, and by having a preventative maintenance program and an automated lubrication system coupled together, you're not going to have the premature failure of those components.
So how do your systems extend the life of wearable components?
Components wear because of either metal-to-metal contact, heat buildup, or contaminants or debris being in there. By introducing the right amount of lubricant at the right times, you're flushing those contaminants and you're preventing those situations from occurring. Thereby, you extend the life of those components.
And so how do your systems help organizations maintain the highest residual value of their equipment?
Well, regardless of how you go to market to dispose of your fleets, whether it's auction, whether it's resale or trade-in, a well-maintained piece of equipment will always get the highest rate of return. So often when we have a piece of equipment being sold and they see there's an automated lubrication system on it, they get a premium at that time of sale.
And what industries do you serve, and are you a global company?
We serve a wide variety of industries, from forestry, mining, transportation. We even do municipal buses. And we are a global company. We operate right now in over 40 countries around the world, 5 continents, and we're going to continue to expand.
And what are your customers saying about you?
Our customers are very excited about our products, that when they introduce it, they can see a return on investment right away. So, they're seeing that the uptime's there, they're getting more productivity of their equipment, and their operators are much happier because it's one less thing that they have to take care of.
So, lastly, Tim, what does the future hold for Groeneveld?
Well, we're going to continue to be a market leader in the industry with our products and solutions for our customers, and we're going to continue expanding our operations throughout the world.
Well, it appears that Groeneveld's automatic maintenance systems can make a world of difference for fleet managers everywhere. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you very much, Kathy. Appreciate it.
Thank you. For Worldwide Business, I'm Kathy Ireland. Thank you for watching.